What can you do to avoid landing in the IRS Collections Division? If you're like most taxpayers, the thought of dealing with IRS collections probably makes you want to crawl under a rock. The collections branch is the IRS's enforcement arm. They're tasked with receiving unpaid taxes through things like garnishment, levies, and property seizures. Nothing that's fun. So how do you land in the collection division sites? There's a couple of common ways. One of the primary reasons for the collection division to get involved is because somebody doesn't file their tax returns. Even if you can't pay your total tax liability, filing your return on time is super important. If you don't, that's going to get flagged. The IRS could file a substitute return for you, and then they're going to start some collection action. If you do file a return but can't pay your total tax liability, the IRS Collections Division can initiate contact to get those payments made. You set up a payment plan but then don't make those payments, the Collections Division could come on board to compel payments through their forcible means. Audits can also trigger a collections intervention, particularly if the audit finds that there was unreported income or an underpaid tax balance. For businesses, the IRS takes the failure to pay payroll taxes properly and on time very seriously, and you can almost guarantee a collection enforcement action. And lastly, collections can come knocking when they try to reach out and they just don't get a response. Not responding to some of their initial contact to try and find a resolution is one of the worst things that you can do. So if you do get contacted by the IRS for a collection issue, don't bury it under the mail. It's not going to magically disappear. Instead, get some affordable help to resolve your tax debt so that you can move on and sleep better at night. For a free consultation, click the link in my bio and let's talk about how we can get this fixed.